Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is George. Today we're gonna do something simple. How to change an oil change on a 2005 Dodge Durango with a Hemi. And these are mostly the supplies I use every time. Simple little stuff. You could do this at home. Doesn't take mostly a professional to do it. Just follow these steps and you should be good. Step 1. Locate your oil filter and oil drain plug. Oil filter is located right there on the passenger side. Drain plug is located right here. And to catch the oil, okay. And I just take it by hand after that. Just like that. Start spilling everywhere. Oop. There you go. On this one they have a little hole in the side. You gotta open it. If you don't, then it starts spilling everywhere. It's like air. Step 2 was to drain the oil. Step 3, locate your oil filter. I mostly use a rag to get better grip. So once you get better grip and it starts turning, there you go. You gotta see it's turning, and change it for the other filter that you got. And then I just let it drain. You will get dirty if you leave your hand up there. So when you take off the oil filter, of course there's gonna be a lot of mess. Old oil filter, new oil filter. So what I do, I just pour some in there. That's it. Get the gasket wet. Make sure there's not a gasket up there. And then you put your new oil filter again with the rag, tie it by hand. You just tie it until you can't turn anymore, and you should be good. It should not be that super tight. Okay, step 4. After you're done draining the oil, changing the oil filter, and putting everything back together, and make sure you tighten the bolt right, and do not strip it. Always put it by hand first before you put it back together. And then now you find where to add oil. On the Dodge Durango is located right here. That's it. Okay, so now we're just gonna add 7 quarts to the vehicle. On this one, I'm just gonna fast forward. Okay, after you're completed, check underneath. Make sure there's no oil leaks, anything like that. If there's an oil leak, you'll hear something pouring down there, trust me. Okay, then you start the vehicle. Start the vehicle. You gotta run for a while. so that gives you time to get it out of your lift or up the air. So you go slowly. Okay. Then you turn off the vehicle and check the dipstick. Take out your dipstick, clean it out before you checked it, and put it back in. So now that we clean the dipstick and put it back in, take it back out and check your level. Where's it located? Then after you're done checking the oil, it's on the right line, then you're completed. So in some vehicles you have to reset the light, and so you could go online as well and check how you could reset your vehicle's oil light. And that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, like and subscribe.